Shake the man's hand, then dig in.
Point values are triple. We got top 4 answers on the board. Name something women buy to make their hands look good.
A diamond ring.
A diamond ring.
Cream.
Hand cream.
Pass the plate. So take him first. Make sure you take. Make sure. Oh, loud, boy. It's time to dig deep. Chico. Dig deep in the well.
Chico, name something women buy to make their hands look good.
No pressure, Rod. No pressure. I know it ain't no pressure. I'm like a C clamp. I'm like a C clamp. I put the pressure.
Name something women buy to make their hands look good.
Some nice, expensive gloves. Good answer. Good answer. Good
Some
answer.
gloves.
Nice. One more for you. I know you got one in you. I know you got one heart, one ounce.
Whatever your name is. Name something women buy to make their hands look good.
Guys, go to the car. Go to the car? Nail